Hi friends, my name is Sarita and today we'll learn about the artificial intelligence role in HR development in 2020. As we all know that artificial intelligence is becoming a part of every industry these days. It is the advanced technology which helps to get work done in no time, and it's cost effective too, as it helps in productivity faster. So as per the advancement, even the human resource department is acquiring artificial intelligence for the daily operations and everyday workflow to increase efficiency. This will help the HR to carry out the HR activities faster. As per the report, the first AI implementation based HR tool is done into talent acquisition, and this is the most important part of any HR in an organization to hire the right candidate for the particular job. These AI based application will not only help HR to take care of the talent acquisition, but it will also help the HR to communicate with the candidate through chat boards, which will help them to get the work done in no time. They will be able to screen the resumes and verify the listed criteria related to personal information, education, and work experience, etc. It will allow the HR to solve the employee related queries efficiently and effectively. It will also help the HR to understand the behavior pattern of the employee, so in short, they can analyze the behavioral skill. As per the HR report, now behavioral skills will also play an important role in hiring of the candidates. HR can easily analyze the HR related activities like employee engagement, onboarding, and performance management through these AI based technology. The advancement will also help the employees to increase productivity and work efficiently. HR trends are changing in 2020, and a lot of advancement in technology will be seen in the coming years. So accordingly, the HR also needs to upgrade their skills through online courses related to AI. So don't wait, just upgrade your skills with the right course related to AI into human resource. Some of the courses that are offered by industry experts can be done through Coursera, Simply Learn, My HR Future, SHRM, Learning Catalyst, etc. I hope this information was helpful. To the viewers, I am mentioning the online course link in the description box below for your reference. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon below so that you don't miss any of the notifications. Thank you so much.